Sure whose property that thing is on. If it's mine, I am going to pull it down because I'm surprised it's lasted this long. But that is totally rotten right there. It's good to about right there, but it could be internally messed up as well. I don't know if you can see it that well because of the sun, but it is a mess. But the reason there's bricks here is because the guy I bought the property, this lot from, he was a brick mason and he had all kinds of bricks here. I've been using some of them over the years, but there's just too many. I've buried a bunch of them, and there's some cinder blocks. There's some regular brick, but I cut a bunch of trees out of here. It was all grown up, and it was a mess. It still is not good. Here's one of the stumps I still got to rip out, but it's so close to that tree. I don't like working here. That thing could come down at any time. And but that's what I've been working with. And here's some wire that I need to get rid of. I need to find a home for it before I get it tangled up in the mower. It's a muddy mess in here. I'm going to throw it over there where I can keep an eye on it and not get caught up in my mower deck. Man, that's the worst thing you could hit, is old barbed wire. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day, YouTube, and everybody have a good March. Spring is around the corner. Daylight savings time. We switch over on Sunday or Saturday night to Sunday. And I don't know if that's good or bad. For me, I'm retired, so I don't, it doesn't make any difference to me. Every day is a holiday for me. So I'm in fairly good health, and I do get out and do stuff, so that's the key thing to staying around for a while. You got to stay active. And the guys are working. Okay, YouTube, I don't know, it'd be nice if people would comment or, make suggestions. If you want to see something, I'm capable of doing it. I will do it. My solar is up to 11.4 volts on those two batteries. And wow, I did some cleaning up in here, believe it or not. It was even worse than this, but I've got so much stuff over the years that it's getting hard to store it all. Anyway, YouTube, I'm going to let it slide on this one. I may have some future videos coming up. I just haven't made up my mind whether I want to or not. But anyway, this is Cosmologic out.